Good afternoon, folks. I just received an email from Starlink. As you may know, I've been using Starlink for a couple years. I have the mini roam package, and I just love it. I've got several videos on this channel about it, but this is a new promotion they've got uh, where you can buy the Starlink Mini Kit for $16 a month for 12 months. And of course, you have to get a, a plan to go with it, and I'm on the $55 a month 100 gigabyte plan. That's plenty for me. But anyway, I wanted to get this out there. I don't know if this promotion can be used in conjunction with the free month promotion, but under the free month promotion, if you sign up using my referral link, you get a free month, and so do I. So anyway, I paid $599, or maybe it was $499. Anyway, I paid a lot of money for my Starlink mini dish, and this works out to be much cheaper. And so it's a good deal, folks. If you're thinking about getting Starlink, now is the time to get in. Um, and Anyway, like I say, I've got a link in the video description down below that has the my referral link. It's a personal referral link that I use. I currently have had I guess 7 referrals, so I've gotten 7 free months from Starlink using my referral link, and everybody's happy. So anyway, this is Laughlin 007 signing off for now. It's Friday afternoon. I just wanted to get this out there. Uh, like I say, this is a great deal for a Starlink Mini Kit. And if you're thinking about signing up with Starlink, by all means, use that referral link down below. Like I say, the referral link it says that you get a free month, and so do I if you use it. So anyway, this is Laughlin 007 signing off for now. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.